Excel is still the strongest foundation for data analysts in 2026 because most companies begin their analysis work inside Excel.
Many people think Excel is basic or outdated, but companies rely on it daily because it is fast, flexible, and powerful for business decisions.
The first essential skill is data cleaning. Removing duplicates, fixing text, and organizing raw data.
The second skill is mastering formulas like XLOOKUP and logical functions, which help analysts answer business questions accurately.
The third skill is building PivotTables. PivotTables allow you to summarize large datasets quickly and highlight insights managers need.
The fourth skill is creating clear and simple charts. Good visualizations help communicate trends faster than long tables of numbers. The fifth skill is designing small dashboards inside Excel. These dashboards are widely used because they are quick to update and easy to share. Excel also teaches you how to think like an analyst, helping you explore data, identify patterns, and communicate insights clearly and confidently. When you master Excel properly, learning Power BI, SQL, and GenAI becomes much easier because Excel builds the foundation for everything else.
Our New Year 2026 offer is now live at iTech Analytic Solutions with the biggest discounts we have ever provided. Our Career Accelerator program, earlier priced at $85,000, is now available for just $45,000 under the New Year offer. Our Essentials program, earlier $65,000, is now available for $35,000 with training in Excel, SQL, Power BI, and GenAI. Get a free Excel certification worth $10,000 and bonus content worth $50,000. Contact us and secure the New Year offer.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow iTech Analytic Solutions for daily learning. Namaskara.